Hi friends, welcome to 5 Star Study. Today we will read Supreme Court of India. Contents: Jurisdiction and powers of Supreme Court, original jurisdiction, writ jurisdiction, appellate jurisdiction, advisory jurisdiction, court of record, and power of judicial review. The Supreme Court of India was inaugurated on January 28, 1950. It succeeded the Federal Court of India, established under the Government of India Act 1935. The Supreme Court of India has been established by Part V, Chapter IV of the Constitution of India. Articles 124 to 147 of the Constitution lays down the composition and jurisdiction of Supreme Court of India. Article 124 states the establishment and constitution of Supreme Court. Presently, Supreme Court of 34 judges, including Chief Justice of India. Indian Constitution has established an integrated judicial system, with the Supreme Court at the top and the High Courts below it. The single system of courts adopted from the Government of India Act 1935 enforces both central and state laws. The Parliament can increase the number of judges of Supreme Court of India. The judges of Supreme Court are appointed by the President. Senior most judge of Supreme Court is appointed to the office of the Chief Justice of India by President of India. Supreme Court judges holds office until he attains the age of 65 years. The judge of Supreme Court can resign before their term by giving their resignation in writing to the President. The Parliament also have power to remove the judges by invoking impeachment provisions. Under Article 124, a person to be appointed as a judge of Supreme Court should have the following qualifications. 1. He should be a citizen of India. 2. He should have been a judge of High Court for 5 years, or he should have been an advocate of a High Court for 10 years, or he should be a distinguished jurist in the opinion of the President. Supreme Court is the guarantor of the fundamental rights of the citizens and guardian of the Constitution. Under Article 130, the Constitution declares Delhi as the seat of Supreme Court. The Supreme Court of India has more powers than any other Supreme Court in any part of the world. Jurisdiction and power of Supreme Court. The jurisdiction and powers of Supreme Court can be classified into the following: 1. Original jurisdiction. 2. Writ jurisdiction. 3. Appellate jurisdiction. 4. Advisory jurisdiction. 5. A court of record. 6. Power of judicial review. Original jurisdiction. The cases which are brought directly in the first instance of the Supreme Court under original jurisdiction. The Supreme Court decides the disputes between the center and one or more states, or the center and any state or states on the side and one or more states on the other, or between two or more states in the above disputes, and Supreme Court has exclusive original jurisdiction. Writ jurisdiction. Every individual has the right to move the Supreme Court directly by appropriate proceedings for the enforcement of his fundamental rights through the issuance of writs. Appellate jurisdiction. The Supreme Court is the final appellate court in this country. The Supreme Court is primarily a court of appeal and hears appeals against the judgments of the lower courts. 1. Appeals in constitutional matters. 2. Appeals in civil matters, Article 133. 3. Appeals in criminal matters, Article 134. 4. Appeals by special leave, Article 136. Advisory jurisdiction. The Constitution, Article 143, authorizes the President to seek the opinion of the Supreme Court. It is duly bound to give its opinion, which is not binding on President. court of record. As a court of record, Supreme Court has two powers. One, judgments, proceedings, and acts of Supreme Court are recorded for perpetual memory and testimony. Two, it can punish for contempt of court. Power of judicial review. Judicial review is the power of Supreme Court to examine the constitutionality of legislative enactments and executive orders of both the central and state governments. On examination, if they are found to be violative of the Constitution, they can be declared as illegal, unconstitutional, and invalid by the Supreme Court. Some of the famous cases in which Supreme Court used the power of judicial review are Goloknath case 1967, Bank nationalization case 1970, Privy Purse abolition case 1971, Kesavananda Bharati case 1973, Minera Mills case 1980.
Thank you for watching. All the best.